Hello everyone, let's go to the 69th example. Make a program that reads 80 integers representing the enrollment number of the students and stores them in an array. Next, read 8 real values, represent the heights of these students and stores them in an array. Show the student's registration number of the lowest and do the same for the tallest student. So let's go to the program and see what is happening here. First of all, we have to include the library stdio.h, which allows us to print messages on the screen. Here I am using the hashtag define to define a name and a value for this name. So every time I'll call this name, the value will be equal to 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 8. So moving on, here I am including 5 int variables for the array of integers, the controller of 4, the place tallest, and the place of the lowest. And here I am including 3 float variables for the array of the real of the height, the real values, the height, the tallest value, and the lowest. This printf will ask you to enter the enrollment number of the 8 students, as the value of max is 8. These for loops will start with the value of I equal to 0 and will break when the value of I is equal to 8. As we remember, an array of 80 places starts in the 0 and finish on the 7. And every time this for loop runs, the value of I will be increased by 1. This scanf will storage the value that you type on your keyboard on the integer array placed on the I. So the first time 0, the second time 1, and keep it going to finish on 7. This printf will ask you to enter the heights of these %d students, which will be 8 students. And these for loops follow the same way of thinking of this one, just changing to j, the I to j, and the scanf %d to %f as a float value, and the integer for a real value. Here I am starting the value of the tallest as the first value of the array of heights, and the lowest 2. And these for loops is the key of this program. So I am initializing the value of the integers, the enrollment number, and the heights. The enrollment number and the heights. And if the tallest is lower to the next value in the array, so what is happening here? For example, the tallest I set for the first. So the first has the value 1.7 and the next value is 1.9. So this conditional is true and the tallest will be the 1.9 and the place of the tallest will be equal to j. As we remember, the place on the array. And if the lowest value, the lowest person is bigger to the next one, the lowest will be equal to the next one. For example, here we have 1.9 and here we have 1.7, so the lowest will be equal to 1.7 and the place of the lowest will be equal to the j as the place of the array. And this printf will print the enrollment number and the height of the tallest guy, the tallest person are %d, integer, place of the tallest. This is the place of the tallest on the integer. So we'll print the registration number, the enrollment number in the array of integer in the place tallest of the tallest, as we check here. And this printf will follow the same way of thinking, the enrollment number and the height of the lowest. The same way of thinking and the lowest. So let's go to the terminal and see what is happening here, how this program works. So the enrollment number of 80 students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Enter the heights of these 80 students, 1.1, 1.2, 1.4, 2 meters, 1.9, 1.8, 1.7, and 0.9. So the enrollment number of the height of the tallest guy are 4, and the tallest guy have 2 meters. So let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's correct. And the enrollment number and the height of the lowest one are 8. So the 8, 0.9. So thank you for your attention. Link for the script is on the video description, and subscribe for regular content.